This is the intro to Long Hair Pretty Nail Show. Yeah.
Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back. So I have some nail mail from Kiara Sky. This is one of the companies I've been wanting to work with for a long time. So needless to say, I am super excited about this PR package. So they were so kind enough to send over this huge box full of goodies. And I have some of their Glam and Glitz acrylic powders. This one here is the clear, and they also sent over a bunch of glitter powders and also their blend collection. We have some glow powders here. Like, I cannot wait to get my hands on all of this stuff. Oh my God. These glitter acrylics are so pretty and they are so different, like very unique mixes. Oh, I just cannot wait to dive into those. But this video is all about the nudes. So Kiara Sky just launched their new nudes collection, and they are 9 nude shades of polish. These are available in gel polish and a regular nail polish. And as you can see, they have an awesome range in color. There is a nude for everyone, okay? So today I'm going to be doing some nails, and I'm going to build them up using the Glam and Glitz clear acrylic powder and of course my nail forms. So I am just going to put these nail forms on, and we're going to form some nails, honey. Alright, so after getting all of these nail forms on, I've done my filing and prepping to my natural nails, and now I'm going to apply the Gelish pH bond, and this is a nail prep and dehydrator. After that is dry, I'm going in with the Harmony Pro Bond, and this is a acid-free primer. And then I'm just gonna go straight in with that Glam and Glitz clear acrylic and just build my nail up. I must say I do love the clarity of this acrylic. It is so clear. It's really easy to work with, and come on, like the clarity of a clear is just everything. I would say that this acrylic sets faster than what I'm used to. So I did have to move a little faster. My acrylic application was not as smooth as I would have liked, a little bumpy, but you know, we can work that out with filing. But overall, I really do like it so far. Alright, so after getting all of the acrylic laid, I'm going to do my filing and shaping. And this is after the nails have been filed, shaped, and buffed. Look at that shape, y'all. Alright, so I'm going to be using these 3 shades of the nudes, and this is Tan Lines, Topeless, and Cheeky. I just love these names. So I'm starting off with Cheeky, and I'm going to apply that to my ring fingernail. So these nudes are very natural sheer colors. I think they look so gorgeous. Like, say if you just wanted to do one coat of these, it is just so pretty and natural looking. So here I'm showing you guys where I put on one coat, I cured that in my LED lamp, and then I'm applying a second coat, and the color is just gorgeous. So the next color I'm using is Topeless, and this one is a little bit darker, but as you can see, like the nudes really kind of complement each other, so you don't have to feel like you have to stick with one color. Like, they work really well together, and I'm sure you can find more than one that will work for your skin tone. But yeah, these are some very nice sheer colors. But the colors are so natural, very pretty. So here I did do 2 coats of the gel polish, but I did end up doing 3 because I just wanted full coverage. And 3 coats was very fine to do. It wasn't too thick or, you know, bumpy or anything like that. So you can definitely build this up from a very sheer coverage to a full coverage if you want. And as stated before, these are available in the gel polish formulation as well as a regular nail polish. So this color here is Tan Lines, and this is one of the darker shades that I chose, and it is just so pretty. All right, so after carrying that final layer, I'm gonna do some bling, okay? I'm gonna use some of these new pink iridescent crystals. We have new colors of crystals on my website, longhairprettynails.com. So if you're interested in colorful crystals, head over to the website. All right, so I am just going to apply some bling gel and my usual top coat to adhere my crystals. I will leave links down below to what I used. And we're just gonna load her up, all right? I like to start off with the larger sizes first and kind of just randomly placing them all over the nail, and then just filling in the spaces with the smaller crystals. And I just love using the gel to put this on because the crystals don't move and I can just take my time. All right, so this is after all of the bling is laid, and look at that shine, y'all. Boom. All right, so after carrying that in my LED lamp, I'm going to apply the Kiara Sky No Wipe Gel Top Coat. My nails look matte here because if you guys know, working with gel polish, if you don't hurry up and put your gel top coat on, then you get lint in your tacky layer. So I just had to go ahead and wipe that off. So after applying the gel top coat and doing my final cure in my LED lamp, this is how the nails turned out. I love these nude colors. They are so pretty. OMG, like I cannot wait to use all of these. So if you're interested, definitely head over to Kiara Sky to pick up the Nude Collection.
This is the outro to the Long Hair Pretty Nail Show. Yeah.